Hey guys, my name is Mase Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So, guys, last time, my last video, I was like asking you guys because I told you that the chemicals are expensive and all those things. So now I was like, please come with suggestion, guys. How can we make these chemicals? Because now every time I make chemicals and then I end up throwing them away, and that means I'm throwing away my money, guys. So now I came with something, guys, something, because like making product is my passion, guys, and I want everyone to have something, guys, because now when I stop altogether to make chemicals and all, that means you won't get anything from me, guys, because like some people doesn't have money, even that 200 rand, guys, to come and for online training, guys. So I was like, maybe let's try something else. So I don't know, maybe this will work or not. You will tell me in the comment section, guys, but I think it's better than nothing, guys. So yesterday I had the order for black deep, guys, but now the thing is the customer was like in a hurry. I didn't even get a chance to make a video, guys, but I will tell you how to make it, guys. But it's simple, guys. It's so simple. If you get your product, it's easy to make it. But then if you have maybe any question about concerning that product, please, you are free to ask, guys. So I'm going to tell you guys, because I'm not showing anything, how to make 100 liters of black deep, guys. So now it will be water, 81 liters of water, guys, and then 5 liters of creosote, and then 2.5 liters of cresolic acid. So now, guys, every time when I tell you what to use, I will put maybe a a picture of that particular thing, and then 4.3 liters of NP9, guys, and 6 liters of white spirit, and 1.2 kg caustic, guys. So now, because some people like are asking me about prices and all, guys, so now I'm going to tell you the price where I buy my product, because I don't think the all the chemicals company charge the same. But now I'm talking about where I get my stuff, guys. So now my creosote is 175 rand, guys, and then cresolic acid 185, and then NP9, guys, 65 rand, and then white spirit 274 rand, I think 80 cent, guys, and then caustic 25 kg is 25 rand. So those other things, crusade, cresolic acid, and NP9, they are 5 liters. That cost that kind of money is 5 liters. So now for caustic 25 kg is 25 rand, guys, cheap. So yeah, guys, I will insert the pictures of everything that I'm talking about somewhere here, guys. So yeah, guys, so let me show you my dip, guys, after everything, because now I have a little bit of dip left here. So it's just to show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, here's my dip. So guys, after mixing everything, you must left it for 48 hours before you can use it, guys. Dip is good. You can clean with your dip, everything, guys. You can put a little bit in the water and clean. And some people, guys, if maybe like they see that they have a bit lacking and everything, they just put a little bit of dip in the water and then they bath, guys. So dip is very good in your drain. If maybe you can smell something in your drain, you can put some of dip in the drain. But please, guys, put in the water first. Put some water, then put dip to clean your drain, to clean your car, everything, guys. You just put a little bit of dip and then voila, everything is good to go, guys. So here's my dip, guys. Here's my dip. So guys, if maybe there's something that maybe you don't understand or maybe confused you will book for online training, guys. So yeah, guys, here's my dip. You can make 100 liters, guys, to sell and make money, guys. So yeah, guys, let's not just sit and say I don't have a job, I'm not working, hey what, hey what. Stand up, guys, and let's make money. Here's our tip, guys, and you are going to make a nice commission from this, guys. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.